gone over our vocabulary. We are ready to start jumping into ecosystems. I have packets for everybody to help you as you take notes and learn about ecosystems. Let me show you how it's designed before we get started. The forest ecosystems has 3 different forest environments that we are going to talk about. It is the rainforest, the deciduous forest, and the taiga forest. I have a place for you to write characteristics such as the climate, the plant life, and the animals that live in that ecosystem. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start out by passing these out. Are you my helper, Leo? One of these days. It's Mac? Yeah. Okay, there you go. Take one and pass it down. Take one and pass it down. Have them there, Mohammed. Okay, who can tell me what the first, turn the page and tell me what the first ecosystem is on it? Quinn, thank you for raising your hand. The rainforest, that's right. So like I said, in the forest ecosystem, there are 3 specific forest environments we're going to learn about. The first one is the rainforest, the second one is a deciduous forest, and the third is the taiga. If you can tell me what all 3 of those are, raise your hand. Great, we have lots of learning to do there. I am going to go over one of them with you, and then I'm going to assign each of you an ecosystem to research. You're going to write your research on an index card, and then you're going to present it to the class, okay? I will go over this again, but as your classmates are presenting about their ecosystem, what do you think it is you should be doing? Vivian. Okay, Vivian said looking and listening. Jayla? Taking notes, okay? It's going to be important that you know climate. Who can define climate for me? It's one of our vocab words. Salam. The weather pattern. The weather pattern of our ecosystem. I want to know what plant life is. Who can describe plant life for me? Leland?
Like how the plant lives and what it needs and its needs.
Not exactly. Callie, you're just stretching. Plant life would be, Leo, go ahead.
Like probably like what plants are there and what you need to maintain those plants.
Okay.
And why they're there to target a specific environment.
Like, are there lots of trees? Are there lots of tall plants, short plants, any plants? Okay, so that's what I'm looking for plant life. And the last is Gwen's favorite. I want to know what animals live in that ecosystem, okay? So to show you and to start out, we are going to do the rainforest together. So, just by the title, what can you infer about a rainforest? Mahana. It rains. Exactly. Let's draw some raindrops. So that would be our climate. It rains a lot. Hey, there's another clue in our title. Angela? Yes? Yeah, it's very wet and humid. Okay, but look at our title, rainforest. We've talked about the rain. What's this other word? Salam.
It's a forest.
A forest, which means there will be a lot of, everybody can say it out loud?
Trees.
Trees, yes. So that would be our plant life, wouldn't it? Lots of trees. thing that's not a clue in our title, but what's the other thing I want us to talk about when it comes to rainforests? Gwen? Animals. What kind of animals do we think might be in the rainforest? Just what? A jaguar? Let me look. Not necessarily jaguars. We're going to say that for a different ecosystem, okay? Callie. An iguana? Lizards, yeah, those reptiles could be in there, but let's save those for a different ecosystem, okay? William. Say that louder. A platypus, not specifically. So there's lots of animals in the rainforest, true, but there are some that are a lot more specific to the rainforest, and those are the ones that I want us to talk about. Mahanri. Frogs. Yes. Tree frogs, specifically. And if it is helpful for you to draw a picture of a frog, go right ahead. Anybody else? Quinn?
Capybaras.
You would come up with one I'm not familiar with. Have you done the research and do you know that that's true? Or are you just making a guess?
Oh no, I know.
Okay. So would you like to tell everybody what is that?
A capybara, also known as the giant guinea pig, is is an animal like it's furry and it's pretty big. It goes up to it's 2 feet tall and they normally live near the river.
Okay. Thank you for sharing. Let's keep going. I'm going to give you one. Well, I'm going to give you a hint. It jumps from tree to tree. Leo.
I was gonna say snakes, but
No, snakes is a good one. Let's write snakes down.
flying snakes.
You want to know what my least favorite animal is?
Yes.
Snakes. Please don't ever try and scare me with a snake. I hate snakes. What's the animal that jumps from tree to tree, Jayla?
Squirrels.
They do. I'm thinking bigger. Robin? Chimpanzees or monkeys? Okay, I want to go back to the climate because as you're right, it rains a lot and it is warm and wet. But something about, not the climate, but the plant life, something else about the plant life. If it rains a lot and it's wet and humid, do you think that there's lots and lots and lots of trees or very few trees? Thank you, Vivian, for raising your hand. That's right, it is. So the word we're going to use to describe that would be dense. Dense tree life. That means that it's hard to see very far in a rainforest because there are so many trees to look through. There is a canopy of trees that go over the rainforest. And that canopy of trees is what holds the humid air and the water in. And so that is why a rainforest is so sticky and humid. Does that make sense to you? Has a lot of moisture. But does that make sense to you? Why the rainforest then would be so sticky and humid? Give me a thumbs up. That makes sense. Okay. Just what?
Could there be turtles?
There could. I mean, like I said, there are tons of animals in the rainforest. But the ones I'm kind of wanting us for the sake of not just spending the entire rest of the year talking about the rainforest are the tree frogs, the snakes, and the monkeys. Oh, and one more. How many of you guys like Fruit Loops? Leland, I hate to tell you this, but that's Blurging Buddy. Mariah?
The bird, a tanku.
A toucan. Hey, so how are we feeling? Do you think we kind of got an understanding of rainforests? Okay, now it's going to be your turn to do some research. There is lots of information in your science book. So if you get your science books out, turn to page 91 through 96. You will find, I have your book, so don't look too hard for it. You will find all the information you need to be able report to your class, okay? I'm gonna walk around and we're gonna do it by table group. So Mariella and Matt, I would like you to look at the taiga forest, okay? William and Angela, I would like for you to do the deciduous forest, okay? Deciduous forest. You two, I would like to do a wetland. A water ecosystem, the wetlands, okay? Alright. You guys will do grass.
I'm right. Okay, come on. What page is this? No, we need a
Fifth graders, focus, focus.
It's time to focus.
Pages 91 through 96 in your science book, okay? Does everybody know what ecosystem they're to be working on?
Yes.
Okay, there should be explanations through those pages in your science books that talk to you about the number 1, climate, number 2, plant life, and number 3, animals. I will give you about I'll try to give you about 10 minutes, okay? Yes, you can talk. But you remember what Mrs. Pettit said about talking. The issue isn't the talking, it's the volume level. So just make sure that you're using a volume level that isn't disruptive to your friends next to you. Okay, you guys all working together? Robin? Which one are we doing?
From there?
Okay, you guys have deciduous forest, right?
So let's put
How are you guys doing?
temperatures are hot
Are we tired?
You and Robin need the prior life.
I'm making you chase me.
And then Robin, such as there's like it says that it supports some plants but not enough trees. You should write that. That's there's not leaves from trees. Just did you know that? I didn't know that. But the bigger it's white. Whatever. There's no trees. Look, there's also like something under the picture. It says an African American is called savanna. It has shrubs and a few trees. It stays warm all year long. And it has lines. Nice. Savannah. I think you can tell by the picture. There's a lizard. A giraffe. And are those horses? No. Okay. Buffalo.
But no, buffalo. They're not horses. You can actually have those are horses. Buffaloes are horses. What are those those what is it called? That have like stripes on them? Not zebras. Buffaloes. Buffaloes.
Okay, so if you're this is what's going to be
And then it says
important.
they migrate to somewhere like
Well, just to help our classmates understand, I think the best
Baby
is
dolls.
that it's a force.
Yeah, it's not.
Which means you're going to have spring, summer, fall,